solving more equations. Now, your equations can have variables on both sides, all our different steps. But what I really want to talk about is today you're going to run into some special cases. Yeah, everything we do in algebra always has something that doesn't fit what's supposed to happen. So it's special. Okay? Huh? Kind of, yeah. So when we talk about special cases and solving equations, I want to talk about that if the variable term drops out completely. So I'm solving this equation and all of a sudden I don't have any x's left. Or I don't have any t's left. Or a's or whatever, right? So now what do I do? If what's left, my constants or my numbers are true, constants or remaining is true, then we're going to call this infinitely many solutions. Yes, that's an or. Infinitely many solutions. Okay? If the remaining is false, then we say it is no solution. Okay? So in your book today, I'm going to tell you they don't use those two words. Yeah, so in your book they call the first one identity. I'll write that over here. Identity is the old school word, okay? We don't use identity anymore. We say it's infinitely many solutions, and that's what would be on any kind of standardized testing or anything like that. So that's what we're going to use is infinitely many solutions. And I do say no solution. But I'm pretty sure you guys did a few of these with Mrs. Lacey, right? Okay. So see, I told you today's not going to be too long. Let's do an example, see if we can't figure out what happens here. Example number 1. Let's say I have 3x plus 4 minus 5x equals negative 2x plus 7. Alright, I'm going to draw my little line down. Okay, what do we have to do first? Good, combine like terms. So again, on this side of the line, what can I put together? Good, 3x and negative 5x for a total of what, Lily? Good, negative 2x plus 4 equals negative 2x plus 7. Now we move our variable term to the left, right? So I'm going to add 2x to both sides. Negative 2x and positive 2x cancels. And I have 4 equals, bless you. Negative 2x and positive 2x cancels, and I have 7. Does 4 equal 7? So then I just say no solution. You remember doing these now? Yeah. Good deal. And let's just do one more example, and I will be done. Right? Example number 2. Let's do 4 times x minus 3 plus 2 equals 4x minus 10. All right, so what do we have to do first this time? Good. We have to distribute, right? 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 3. To the end of the parentheses, so I'm done distributing. Let's bring everything else down. All right. What do I do next? I have to combine like terms on either side, right? So on this side, what can I put together? Good. Negative 12 and positive 2. So I have 4x minus 10 equals 4x minus 10. So then I'm going to move this 4x to the side. It's a positive 4x. To move it to the other side, it's a minus or negative 4x. So 4x and negative 4x, it cancels. I have negative 10 equals 4x and negative 4x, it cancels. Negative 10. Is that true? So we say, and again, you guys can shortcut this to, this is infinitely many solutions. That means infinite. Whoops. That means infinite. Okay? Any questions on this? So, today in your homework, you're doing 10 through 40 even, so it's 15 problems. You're either going to solve the equation, you're going to have a couple sections where you decide if it's infinitely many or no solutions. And yes, there's one word problem. Okay? What you guys got? And that's it. So go ahead and get started.